What is up, guys? Janet this side. So in this video, I have brought up a tutorial on how to make email templates with Gmail, and this tutorial is for absolute beginners. So let's start with some description on how to make email templates with Gmail. And creating email templates in Gmail is a powerful way to save time and maintain consistency when sending similar emails repeatedly. Gmail's built-in templates feature allows users to save pre-written messages and insert them quickly into new emails. Or if you don't want to use the inbuilt templates, you can download an extension which is a more simpler and easier way. So come to your Google Gmail ID, and after opening your Gmail, at the right side on the three dots, click on the three dots and then hover over to the extensions and then click on Visit Web Store. Now, after coming to the Chrome Web Store, search for Cloud HQ. As you can see, the Gmail email templates by Cloud HQ. This is the extension that you need to install. Simply add it to your browser, and then if this pop-up comes, simply click on Add Extension, and the extension will be added to your extension section here at the top. So as you can see, my extension is being downloaded. After the extension is downloaded, here you can see, click here to exit the full screen. If you want to exit the full screen, you can click here, and then if you want to create another account here with the email templates, you can create your own account, and you can just simply sign in with your email, and after that simply hit continue. So as you can see, I have signed in. Now to write the email on the left side, I will click on compose. Now after clicking on compose and writing a new email, click on this more tools option, and then here you can see this insert template icon. Just click on it, and then all the templates will appear here on your screen. Like if you have the MailChimp, HubSpot, or Gmail draft template you can choose from, you can choose them, or you can browse through these free templates. Like I like this one, and if I like this one, I will just use this template, and then as you can see, my template has been appeared here, and then I can just edit my template from here. Like I can add columns, I can add buttons, I can add the heading, divider, attachments. If I want to add some image, I can add that too. And here are the blocks. In the block section, I can add some of the blocks that I want. And here in the body section, I can change the font weight, the text color, the background color, the content width, the content alignment. I can change everything from here. And then under the images section, I can add some of the images, or I can create an image with AI and then I can add it. So for example, I want this image. I will just simply drag and drop it here, and then I can just resize this image wherever I want. So as you can see, my image has been dropped here, and then here is my template, and this is how I can edit my template. And when I am done, I will just simply write the email to whom I want to send. As you can see, I have written the mail, and I will just hit the send button, and as you can see, my email template with all the editings has been sent to my email. And this is how you can make email templates with Gmail. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.